The FDA authorizing Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use, clearing the way for millions of doses to be rolled out within days.
I am thrilled to report that the FDA has authorized the Pfizer vaccine. We have already begun shipping the vaccine to every state and zip code in the country. The first vaccine will be administered in less than 24 hours. The pandemic may have begun in China, but we are ending it right here in America.
Here with new details, Fox News medical contributor Dr. Nicole Saphier. Nicole, welcome. Tell us what you think about the speed of this going out. And also, some people are concerned that the speed might be impacting the safety. How do you feel about that?
Well, Rachel, I don't think most people understand what an incredible scientific feat this has been. It is so multi-layered. Not only do we have a vaccine using novel technology for a disease that has been present less than a year and has a 95% efficacy, but thanks to Operation Warp Speed, is ready to be distributed and administered within 24 to 48 hours of receiving that FDA EUA. This is unprecedented. And I understand why people feel that, they don't like the term warp speed. They feel like maybe safety corners are being cut, but that is not the case. The big thing here, the scientific discovery process has not been tainted whatsoever. What happened was, through Operation Warp Speed, they were manufacturing the vaccine in parallel while they were still studying it. That usually doesn't happen because there's a chance that the vaccine won't be successful. But because Operation Warp Speed put money into the manufacturing, hoping that it would be successful, that is why we have the vaccine right now. It is not cutting safety corners whatsoever.
Now, that said, there are some people, and mainly they are pregnant women, that they're saying should not receive this vaccine. Why?
Well, rightfully so. In clinical trials, there are certain people excluded when they're studying medications. Pregnant people, young children, those with severe allergies are among the top of people who usually aren't included when you're studying something new. And so because we don't have data on them, we can't necessarily recommend that they take it. It's possible that it would be completely safe in them, but we can't prove it. And because we can't prove it, we have to hold off on recommending it. There are studies that are going to be started in early 2021 for pregnant people and for others. However, we don't have the data quite yet, which, for those women that are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, we understand because COVID-19 can be scary for them. It is showing to have some negative consequences. So the best they can do is just keep themselves safe. We know how to protect ourselves from the virus. It's not only just a vaccine. You can hand wash, you cover your mouth, and you socially distance, and that's what they're going to have to do.
Well, Doctor, you've always been giving us amazing advice throughout this pandemic, so thanks for joining us this morning and giving us the latest on that.
Thanks, Rachel.